everybody, how are you? And I am back with another haul for fall and some DIYs. Okay, the first thing I got, and they had very little Halloween at the Dollar Tree when I was there, very little. I'm trying to think, I think only got a couple things. Well, anyway, I got one of these candles, and if you remember, I the candle from last year, and I took the candle like this from last year. Now this does come up orange when it lights up. It isn't clear, but I distressed it. Okay, rusted it out, made it primitive, whatever you want to call it. And I'll probably do the same thing again. So I got one of those. If you like saltwater taffy, remember I had this box up on my hutch for the sweet treat? I'm telling you, this is really good taffy, if you like taffy. Because I keep a candy jar up in my craft room with just something little if I want something sweet when I'm working on something. So I keep, like I said, I keep a jar and I put something in it. So I got that. Then they had these risers, okay? And these are to put like spices, and I got another one for cups. And you can put your cups. Now I won't necessarily use these for that. I might and see how it works, but I really got these. A lot of times when I'm decorating, I want to be able to put things different heights, you know? I don't like everything just flat. So I will use these probably for decorating, and then you just put either material over it or whatever you want. But I might try them in the cupboard and just see how they work. I have a Lazy Susan where my spices are, so I won't use it for that. But we'll see. But I bought these primarily to use as risers. They had some cutouts, and this is balsa wood. So I got the turkey, and I'm going to alter this. I already have an idea how I'm going to do that. Then, like everyone else, I loved this particular Farm Fresh, and I won't do really anything too much to this. I just like the look of it, so I'll put this somewhere in my decor. This one is really pretty. And it's got burlap on the top here. Don't know if I'll leave this, but I have a feeling I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to embellish it and alter it as well. But I do like that. I think it's pretty. Then I did like the sunflower, and I am going to use sunflowers in my early fall. And I don't know if I'll even change out the sunflowers in certain areas of my house during fall. I will add my other fall leaves and, you know, just different foliage. But I may leave it because I really like the sunflowers. Plus I'll be putting up my sunflower plates from the Dollar Tree that I've had now for a couple years. So I will leave this one as it is as well. I might embellish it a little bit, I'm not sure. And then this one, I like it, but I'll probably, again, alter it on the other side. I leave the original, so if you ever do want it, because there is absolutely nothing wrong with the way this looks. It's very pretty. It has a little metal leaf on it. The raffia is, not great. I'll take that off. But this is pretty. And then lastly, as far as signs, the apple. And I will leave this as well because it has apples, sunflowers. I mean, I think it's really pretty. So I will leave that. I won't change it. I may, again, do my own thing on the back, but I will leave this intact. So those are the signs. Okay. And then I've already told you guys, I think, with another haul, I'm into the owls. So I got a couple of these owls They're cute. I mean, they're cute. But I want to try to make some. But at least I have something to add to my collection of owls. So I got those. Then I got these pumpkins, 3 of them, and they're embellished with flowers. I'm probably not going to keep them this way, but I have something I think I might want to try with them. And then I have this burlap pumpkin, and I got a couple of these last year as well. They only had a couple things, and they had these little lanterns. So I got the black cat and the witch, and they light up. I don't know if you can really see it, but this year they did not have these last year, or at least I didn't get any. And those are the metal, galvanized metal words, thankful, harvest, and welcome. So these can be used all year long. And then I don't buy makeup per se from there. Once in a while something might strike my fancy, but I did get this color blush, and this is berry plum. I'll see how that works. A lot of times these kind really don't stay on, but we'll see. It's, you know, not a big deal because I can always use these for crafts when I'm making something. When I'm making dolls, a lot of times I'll put blush on their cheeks. So this won't go to waste even if it doesn't work for the face. For $1, I'll try it. From Dollar Tree. They're only $1 and they're more expensive at the store, so I always get these, and these are low sodium. And I buy my makeup wipes for my face, and they work very well. So I'll pay $1 opposed to 3 or 4 or 5, depending on what kind you'd get at the regular drugstore or grocery store. So I just got another one of these. Love my double mint, so I just get this also from them. And then the Jolly Ranchers, I got these, and these will last, well, these are going to last until next year. So in the summertime, I will make cotton candy, and in my cotton candy machine, they take Jolly Ranchers. You can use them, so I got these for that. And I needed some floral tape, because the floral tape I had, I thought it would still work, but it didn't. It's lost its, you know how you pull it and when you wrap a wire, it'll adhere to it? What I had no longer worked. So I just got some floral tape for $1. How much I love their candles. I buy these all the time. For $1, yes, yes, yes. Yes, I will. I will buy these before I'll buy a $6.99, $4.99 LED candle that's, you know, this is just as good. These are different than the regular. The regular are fatter and a little, well, they're about this size, maybe a little bit littler, but they're fatter around. And I like these because of the shape. So there's something I think I want to try with these, so it might be a DIY. Then they had this craft bottle, which looks like a mason jar, and I might try something with this. They had these paper mache flowers. They're the shape of flowers. These are the boxes I use for my cake making. These will make adorable faux cakes. So they're stackable, different sizes. So I got those, but they're cute. See? And even if you wanted to just use these for a gift, you know, just put something in there and put a bow on it. I mean, you know. But I got those. And I got them now because these will not be there, I'm sure, as fall approaches more. So I definitely wanted to get these more for like the beginning of the year, February, March, April. That's really what I'm thinking more on these. Then I bought 3 of these and these jars, and they kind of look like they could be used for pumpkins. Well, actually you could, but that's not what I'm using these for. These are going to be for a home decor DIY, and so I won't be doing these until the first of the year. But I bought them while they were here, and they're very heavy. These are heavy. They're not real thin glass, but I'll show you what I do with these. Last year I got one in this color, which I really wanted, but they didn't have it, but it's not a big deal because you can paint them. And these are on little clips. So these make really cute accent pieces for DIYs. So I got those. A couple of these black LED little tea lights, I got those. These are golf balls. Usually I use ping pong balls, but I did a couple, was it 1 or 2 DIYs I did? I think it was 2 years ago if you go back to my Halloween, and I made eyeball bouquets, but these are not going to be used for that. I will be using this in my faux desserts for Christmas. And then these eyelashes, no, I've given that up a long time ago. I don't wear false eyelashes anymore. My luck, I would get the glue in my eye and stick my eye together. This is for a DIY as well. This bat I'm using for a DIY that I'm doing, and you're gonna really like that. I got these eyes. Look at these eyes. These are adorable. Well, really for any time, but these are for Halloween apparently, but you could use these anytime. But I got these not with anything really in mind at this point, but if I think of something, I'll have them. Then I got one of these lithium batteries, because I believe these are the same size as what they use for the candles, so you don't have to throw your candle out, just get one of these batteries. I want to see how it works. And they are a fraction of the cost of what you would pay anywhere else. And the buffalo check pot holders and this tea towel. Well, really not a tea towel, but it's very lightweight. I wouldn't even try to dry dishes with it. But it says blessed. That'll make a cute DIY. Then I tape, because I use this, and I might try a DIY that I saw on Pinterest with this. I'm not sure, but I use this stuff anyway. And then look at the owls. Here we go again. These are salt and pepper shakers for $1, and they're in brown. How cute. So I bought those. And then I always buy the Betty Crocker containers, and I use these a lot, especially at work. Like I can put nuts in here or salad dressing, whatever, but they're nice because they close tight. So I got those. And then I just got this because I'll be using this for a DIY as well. And then I just got a couple things from Walmart that I'm going to throw in here. Black roses for Halloween, and I'll be using these on a DIY in the purple and orange. And I'm doing a fall DIY with this and some smaller little pumpkins. So make sure to be watching for that. This is really pretty. I mean, it's a real burnt orange. I mean, you could paint it if you want. I'll probably leave it the way it is. But this was $5.98, and it's good size. That is my Dollar Tree haul. It was a big one for me, and just a little bit of a Walmart. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Happy hauling, guys. Bye.